Hey everybody, Mike Wolford here, and today we're doing a low carb twist on a classic. We're doing taco casserole. And if you were to sit down and eat this whole thing, you'd have under 20 grams of carbs and about 2 sugars. This thing is super delicious. Let's get to making it. It's 1 pound of hamburger, 3 tablespoons of butter, tablespoon of garlic, tablespoon and a half of minced onions, 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper, 1 package of taco seasoning, and 1/3 of a cup of cheese, and 4 eggs. Let's get to making this. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put our 3 tablespoons of butter in here. We're going to let it melt down. It gets all over. So now that our butter's almost melted down, we're going to add in our garlic. We want to put the garlic in here, stir it around. We want to wait till the garlic starts releasing its aroma. At that point, we'll put the hamburger in. Once you really start smelling the garlic, then you know it's time. It doesn't take very long. Boy, that was just a couple seconds. Next thing we're going to do, put our hamburger down into the fun, mix it up real nice, and let this thing start browning. And we're going to check it here periodically because this thing will brown up pretty quick. Let's give it another mix up. Look how it's just starting to brown there on the bottom. I'm liking this a lot. Oh, and it smells awesome too. Turn up the heat a little bit. Check it out again. Yeah, we're getting really close where we want to be. Gonna add in our onion. And our cayenne pepper. You know me, I love cayenne pepper. We're going to let this sit for about another minute, and then we're going to add 3/4 of a cup of water and our taco seasoning. So it's been sitting for about a minute now. We'll add our taco seasoning into the mix. Add our 3/4 of a cup of water. We're going to let this simmer for a little bit so we don't have as much water, kind of let the water steam off. And we'll be right back. Alright, time to turn this thing down to low. Let it finish burning off all that excess water. Now it's time for the eggs. So it's time to take our 4 eggs, crack them, and like so. Perfect. Whisk them all up. That's perfect right there. So let's go now over to our pan and start adding our ingredients together. First thing we're going to do is just take some spray, put it down like that. Normally I would say drain your taco meat, but you know, this actually came out pretty good. Just kind of flatten it out like that. Add our egg mix over the top. And now it's time to take our taco casserole, put it into our preheated oven at 350 for 25 minutes. We'll check on it then. All right, guys, it's been 25 minutes. Let's check this thing out. Seriously, if you could smell the inside here. Nice. Yeah, time to put the cheese over this bad boy. We're gonna put it down for another 5 minutes and then we're gonna check it out. Okay guys, 5 minutes is up. Let's check this thing out. Ooh, wow. That looks amazing. Let's take it over to the counter. Look at that. Wow. Oh, so good. If you could smell the house right now, you'd never even know this was low carb. Man. So anyhow, I'm gonna let this thing sit for about, I don't know, 5 minutes or so, let it cool off, and then we're gonna try it. Okay, now it's time to cut into this thing. Try it out. That is an amazing taco casserole. I am going to put some of this Hernandez guacamole salsa on the side. Not a sponsor, but man, it's good. Let's try a piece without. You'd never know this is low carb, ever. Let's try a piece with the guacamole salsa. Either way, it's great, guys, and I bet it goes good with the beer. That's amazing, guys. That really is amazing. Anyhow, thanks everybody for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, ring that bell, comment, share, all that good stuff. Really appreciate it. Remember the Dude Abides, this time, low carb taco casserole, the bomb. Talk to you later, guys. Take care.